field. Drunken hay. Yeah. This is going to be a good last day of the year.
Oh yeah.
How long before you'll finish, you think?
Oh.
Maybe 30 minutes. 30
Ends right there. No shit.
Okay.
Okay, 30 minutes.
Oh, are you recording?
Yes.
Wow.
What?
I don't know. I'm fucked up. I really am.
Yeah, we know. Yeah, I spent far too long in Bubba's Bartonade. As you can tell.
Got the sunshades on. Hell yeah.
Hake's grain cart is somewhere over there. Not being driven by Hake.
Yeah. I might fuck it up, actually. Too.
Yeah. And there we have our other two grain carts.
One.
Where the hell's the other one gone again?
Behind it.
Okay. As you can tell, I don't care where these grain carts are, as long as they turn up when I need them.
Yep. Let's see here. How many did I have before you leave?
You had 7.
7?
Yes.
Shit.
You had 7 and I left at midnight.
I left around 2:30 or 2.
Yes, and you had a $200 bar tab.
Yeah.
Oh look! I'm full. Oh no, wait, 3/4. Yes, but this is my amazing yield. I have 0 tons to the acre in corn, which is blatantly making far more than that. As you can tell by the fact there is actually corn going in the combine.
Now if you're on bushels an acre, you can actually tell what you're making.
No, if I was on bushels an acre, I wouldn't either because my sensor is blown. My mass flow strain gauge sensor is broken. It has been for 3 days, so yeah. Where's my yield map? My yield map looks pretty amazing.
Ah, you little bitch.
Yes, my yield map. Oh look, my field is making virtually nothing. Between 0 and 0.33 tons an acre.